welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'm gonna talk about the beauty gifts from Chanel and Dior. I've looked online, I've seen in the boutique they have some really beautiful gifts for Christmas, which, you know, could be perfect just to, obviously, as a gift to give it away to someone that you love, or you can just treat yourself. Why not? All right, so I'm gonna highlight a few of them. I'm gonna try to pop the pictures in here, so I'm just kind of moving to the side so you guys can see it. Some of the gifts that I'm gonna show you are not available online at that moment, but I did check and I was told that there will be available, most of them on chanel.com. They're out of stock as of today when I'm recording this video, so maybe by the time you see it, maybe it will be. But I was told it will be available. We still have like over a month before Christmas. That's what I've been told. But if you have a Chanel boutique near you or Chanel counter, you might see them in your stores as well. So the first one is available and this is probably my favorite, and this is from a skincare, and it's very bougie and the price tag is big. It's $370, but this is something that I'm actually putting on my wish list because I would love to have it. So first of all, you're getting this beautiful gold Chanel case. I assume this is like a cosmetic case. I didn't see it in person, so I cannot really tell you. But the two items which you're getting with this cosmetic case is the eye cream, and I've heard lots of good things about the eye cream, and obviously the moisturizer. We know the Submerge or Submerge, I don't even know how to pronounce that. We know that this line is pretty expensive and it's pretty good. So yeah, this is definitely something that I would like to get. I'm not sure if I will get, but yes, I wish. So this set is also available with the white cosmetic case. It's the same price, $370. It's on the Nordstrom. I will link those down below definitely for you guys. So I guess you could pick. You could have the gold one or the white one. It seems like this is exactly the same product. So yeah, those are the bougie gifts and I love it. The most expensive gift is this one. It's $860, which is again crazy money, and this is the Submerge intensive recovery treatment. It's like an extract, you know, the full size extract, and then you're also receiving a travel size of their cream. So yeah, that's a little bit high. That's a little steep, the price. And to be honest with you, I don't know if this is some kind of like a nice box that comes with this, or is it just, it looks like a box. I mean, for that price, it's better be something nice that you can actually, you know, reuse, because whew, I cannot imagine if this would be just like, you know, like a paper box. It cannot be. I assume this is something like a lacquer kind of a box, which would be nice. So yeah, this set is awesome, but is definitely expensive. All right, a few sets that are not currently available. Maybe they are already, as the video will post, like I mentioned earlier. $160. This is a set. It's called the Instant Illumination, and you're receiving the very light moisturizer. This is almost like a kind of a water cream, which is the full size. You're receiving a highlighter, and those Chanel highlighters are amazing. And of course, you're receiving the glow stick. So I think it's a great set for someone who loves makeup, and you know, you cannot go wrong with this. What is it called exactly? This is Hydra Beauty Camellia Water Cream. That's what it's called. And of course, the red cosmetic case is beautiful. It's just stunning. So yeah, this is beautiful gift, and I hope this is going to be available soon. The next one is a no-brainer. This is just something that is just perfect. It's $90. You're getting a hand cream and like a chopstick, you know, like a lip moisturizer with a black cosmetic case. I've got this hand cream, I'm gonna say 2 years ago for Christmas, and it was good, but you know, on its own, that's like $50 or $55, you know. I wouldn't buy it myself, but I think receiving like a gift, it's very nice. So for $90 you get the whole set. Let's hope it will be available soon. Also, for those who likes red lipstick, that wouldn't be for me because I never wear red lipstick. By the way, the one I have on today is the Gucci. This is awesome. I'll link it down below because I'm in love with that color. Okay, so for the red lip lovers, you're getting a lip pencil and the lipstick. It's like a lip, it's not a lip gloss, it's like a lip stain. It's $72, and obviously you're getting the beautiful red cosmetic case as well. And then for eyes, I am a big fan of Chanel Volume de Chanel mascara, which I have on today. This is like my hands down favorite mascara. So with this set, you're receiving a black cosmetic case, the mascara, you're getting the eye pencil, and you are receiving the primer. So $100, I think it's well worth it. It's another great gift. Okay, another gift is for those who love, again, the skincare lovers. I'm kind of a little disappointed that this particular gift doesn't come with that nice cosmetic case. It does comes with the pouch. It's $425, and you're getting a Submelange, I think it is, a mousse cleanser. And this mousse cleanser is amazing. It is expensive, but trust me, it's so good. You're also receiving half an ounce of new Submelange essence, and you're getting the cream. And these are like a smaller, by the way, smaller little samples. And I think it's the eye, for the eye makeup remover. So this is like a travel friendly kind of kit. And I think the mousse cleanser is a full size, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, so that's what's in a set. So I think it's pretty nice. Yes, the price is pretty up there, but you know, it's like for your, you know, mother, or you know, someone that is very special, you know. That's at least what I would buy for my mom, definitely. Okay, the next couple of sets, let's take a look at the Dior. Dior every year comes up with the most beautiful gift sets. And if you go on the Dior website, some of them are just like exclusive to the website, and they're just beautiful. Last year I received a skincare set, and it's just gorgeous. I've used that moisturizer, and it's just so good, so good. I've been loving it. So let me highlight a couple of sets which I think are beautiful and worth the money. So the first one cost $59. You're getting, again, the iconic Dior mascara. You're getting a little sampler mascara, and you're getting the mascara primer with the black Dior cosmetic case. The only thing that I don't like about this set is the black cosmetic case. I wish it was a little red or like a brighter color. It would just be so much better. But, you know, on the other hand, you cannot go wrong with the black, right? Another set which is so beautiful, and I'm in love with that cosmetic case that comes with that set. It cost $127, and you're receiving a full size of that moisturizer, which is amazing. This is actually something that similar that I've got last year. So you're getting the Capture Total Firming and Wrinkle Correcting Cream, and that's, like I said, it's a full size. That from the same line, you're getting a gentle cleanser. Those are like little mini samples. You're getting a serum, and you're getting the eye cream. So yeah, I think it's a beautiful set. And like I said, the cosmetic case is just awesome. Okay, the next set is for the lip lovers again. And this set, I know it's pretty expensive, $180, but this set, I feel like the lipstick, the colors are more wearable. They are all not red, although you got like those couple of reds in there, but the rest seems to be quite neutral. I think you're getting a total of 6 of those mini lipsticks, and it looks like they are beautiful. So yeah, I know $180 is pretty steep, but you know, be great gift for your sister. Or you know, sometimes the good idea is to buy something like this and just split up among your girlfriends, or you know, your family members, you know, especially if you know what kind of lipstick they like. I think it's a great idea. And of course the pouch that comes with this, it's just stunning. Another set which I thought it was pretty nice is from the Prestige line. Prestige line from Dior is like Saint Melange from Chanel. This is expensive, $287, and you're getting their rose micro oil, the lotion, and you're getting the cream as well. So I know it's expensive, $287, and you're getting beautiful, you know, pouch with that as well. I've never tried that line, but this would be something that I would like to try as well. You know, as my skin is aging and I'm getting older, this is something that I would definitely consider. You know, maybe not this year, maybe in the future I can certainly put this on my wish list. And then something that it's more affordable, $138. This is from the, again, Capture Total line. By the way, that cosmetic case, oh my god, take a look. How beautiful is that? So you're getting a travel size of the 1 minute mask. I love 1 minute mask. I have been using 1 minute mask for a long time and it's just perfect. You're getting a skin boosting super serum and you're getting a cream. So yeah, this is something, this is said that it's more affordable. And again, you can try a couple of different, you know, I think I tried all of them in the past, and I really love the Capture Total line. I think it's perfect. Okay, another lip set, and this is something that I think everybody can use it, because I think those colors will suit everybody. And those are the Addict Stellar Shine collection, $152. These are, I believe, these are full size. They come with this beautiful pink case, like a zip around case. Those are full-size lipstick, and these are beautiful. I am a big fan of those. They look almost like a juicy gloss on your lips, and I think I do have at least 2 lipsticks from that line. So yeah, I'm super excited about this because this is just beautiful. Okay, let's talk about a couple of gifts from Dior website, which if you go on the Dior.com and if you click on the holiday gifts, they do have a bunch of, you know, skincare gifts and makeup gifts, and you can just pick whatever you want. There's a few that I really liked. So the first one is called the Gift of Passion set, and it comes with the red lipstick, red nail polish, and a beautiful kind of pinkish red eyeshadows, more kind of pinkish on the pinky side. Those eyeshadows are beautiful. Again, if someone that you know loves a red, you cannot go wrong with that. Okay, the next set is called the Sparkling Gift Set, and this is something very neutral that I think it will suit anybody. This is again, you're getting their limited edition quad, which is in very neutral colors. You're getting a beautiful like a top coat, so this is like a nice sparkling coat for your nails, and of course the iconic mascara. So yeah, this set is beautiful. The another one is the Dreamed Gift set, and this one is the one that comes with the actually very neutral but very holiday appropriate eyeshadows. Very nice blush, and Dior blushes are amazing, and then very neutral, nice kind of nude lipstick. So yeah, I love this set as well. I think it's beautiful. The price is $148, by the way. You know, obviously there's tons of more different perfume gift set, you know, but those are kind of, find them to be quite interesting. For example, you have a J'adore perfume, which is one of my favorite perfumes. You also receiving a red lipstick, beautiful red lipstick, and then you getting the energy serum. And I believe these are almost, yeah, these are like full size. So the spray, the perfume is 100 ml, 1 ounce of the serum, and of course you're getting the red lipstick as well. So that's quite interesting as well. It's a little bit more expensive, $258. So yeah. And then they have a lot of sets. I'm just gonna show you one. They have a lot of sets perfumes with the nice candle, and I thought it was just gorgeous. Those are quite pricey too, but for example, the one that kind of spoke to me, which I would like to get, by the way, it's the Ambre Nude fragrance. I think, reading, you know, the kind of the notes from this fragrance, I thought this would be something that I would love, and it comes with the candle, which has the same scent. So those are beautiful. I absolutely love, and there's just many more. Basically, and these are the exclusive fragrances from the Dior website. You can only get it through the website, or you can get it at the Dior boutique. You can basically get any combination of those, I'm pretty much sure, with, you know, with any scent. You can get a nice gift, and this would be very nice and bougie gift. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is, you know, just something new, something fun, and yeah, especially if you're looking for some nice gifts and, you know, you're shopping for your family members or for your friends, and or just for yourself. Why not? Just treat yourself. This year has been horrible so far for everybody, and I think we deserve a little treatment. So if you want to get any of those gifts for yourself, I think just go for it, because I might get something myself, you know, like, why not? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll talk to you soon.